Hi guys, today we're gonna solve the first problem of Codeforces Round 833 due to. So the problem is ultimate square. So let's read what the problem is. So we have n rectangular wooden blocks which are numbered from 1 to n. The ith blocks is 1 unit high and seal of 5 by 2 units long. Okay, so they'll give you a number called n and there will be like 1 to n box that are stacked, and they are also telling that the height of the box is 1 unit and the length of the box is I by 2. I by 2 is the index, and seal of I by 2 means you have to round off to its next number, that is seal. Here x by 2 denotes the result of division of x by 2. You have to round up. So suppose they are telling that if 4 by 2 it's 2 and 5 by 2 means you are getting a decimal point, you have to round off to the next upper decimal point, that is 3. They have also given an example for n equal to 5. The blocks have the following sizes. That is, they already told the it is will be 1 unit high, and this second one, right? The long is represented by the this formula, that is I by 2, seal of I by 2. So suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth block, and fifth block is 5 by 2, 2.53. It is 3, right? 1 cross 3, 3 block size. Now we have to find the maximum possible side length of a square you can create using blocks without rotating any of them. So after generating all these boxes, you have to stack each other one above the other. You can mix it, but the only condition is you cannot rotate it. So how did they do this here? Here 3 came here, and 2 they kept it here. 2 again they kept it here. 1 they kept it here. 1 also they kept it here, and they also told that you don't have to use all the blocks. So they are telling that given an integer n, we have to generate that number of boxes, and we have to report what is the maximum possible side length of a square you can create. If n equal to 5, they already gave that the side length will be 3 cross 3. We are getting 3. So let's try to find out by some pattern or something. We don't know, but let's figure it out. So right now I'm trying to find out like how this is happening. So let's say the n value is 7 for now, and there'll be I, right? They will give you I. What will be I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because 1 to n are the set of boxes. Now we try to generate it. Now what did they say? The length will be seal of I by 2. What is 1 by 2 seal? 1 by 2 is 0.5. If you seal it, it will be 1. Now, what is 2 by 2? 1. If you seal it, it will be 1. 3 by 2 is 1.5. 1.5, if you seal it, it will be 2. 4 by 2 is 2. 5 by 2, we saw in the question itself, it will be 3. 6 by 2, it's automatically 3. And 7 by 2 is 3.5. If you seal it, it will be 4. Okay, now the figure will be something like it will be 1, it will be 1, and this will be 2, this will be 2, and this one will be 3, this also will be 3 boxes, and I don't have space, so uh, this will be something like 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope this is clear. Now what we'll do is we'll try to generate the result. What did the result say? We should not rotate these boxes. The only thing is you can stack these boxes one above the other, or you can fit it, and there can be leftover boxes also. So for given n, what will be the maximum square dimension? So if it is 1, it is very obvious this is already a square. You just put 1 only, right? So this is the square, that is 1. And for 2, you cannot stack this and this together because it becomes a rectangle. We can take only this one. So the result is also 1. For 2, so for the value of I equal to 3, we got the square as 2, 1 and 1. Can we do this as a square? Yes, we can do this one and this one and this one we can stack here. So what is the dimension of this? This is 2 cross 2. Perfect. Now for this 2, you can stack this one, you can stack this one. Again, if you stack this and this, right? If you stack this and this here, it will be 3 cross 2. So that is not allowed. So what you do? You just erase that, and if you do it, you get only 2 cross 2. 2. They told that this can be left over if n is 4, so no issues. Now what about 3? So let's do, this is the same thing they gave in the question also, if you remember. 2 we keep here, and again this 2 also I keep here. this. So I'm just checking that whether it is possible to make a square or not. Here I got a value like 3. Okay, now let's say this 3. So we got that from this 3. Again, let me keep this one, then this 2, and this one I'm using. Again, if I do it, the height increases 4 by 4. We generally can't do. The width will be the maximum shape, right? We could not rotate it, so we can't append it anything. So this is 3. And similarly, if you check, this will be also be valid. That is 4. You put 3 here, you put 3 here, you put 1 1, then 2 2. So I'll just show you that. So if you put, this is 4, right? And you put 3 and 3 here, this is 3, and that one piece is there, no, I keep it here. Then again you put this 3 here, that one piece I'm taking it here. 2 2 you stack together. Okay, so the answer is 4. Now if you see it, I'm pretty sure you can see some pattern, right? The 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 2 3 3 3 3 4 4. So they're definitely following a pattern. So here, our code did not generate it. We just saw whether it is possible to make a square or not. So we saw a pattern, a very good pattern. So so since this is following this, we can pretty sure say that uh, since also we can't rotate any boxes, the answer will be seal of I by 2 only. Seal of I by 2. Now, many things that people do is they just use seal function and do long double of I by 2 and do it, but we'll do something differently here. So let's assume that I is an integer, everything is one index. So I do like I divided by 2 plus I ampersand 1. So this is also a seal function. So let's say I value is 4. I do 4 by 2 is how much? 2 plus this is bitwise operation. So 4 bits is 100, and ampersand 1 means this one. So it is 0, right? 0 0 1. So if you AND it with a logical AND operator, if it's an even number, this will be 0. If it's an odd number, this will be what? 1. So in 4 it will be 0. Seal of 4 by 2 is 2 only. So if it is I by 5, it will be 5 by 2 is 2 plus what is 5 ampersand 1? 5 ampersand 1, that is 101 001. 1, right? It's odd. So it checks whether the last bit is set or not. So according to our rule, it will be 1. We got 3. Okay. So it is just a seal of, it's just another way of representing seal. So if I tell you this alone will be the answer. So that's it, guys. I hope this was useful. So if you have any queries, put them down in the comment section. So thank you so much.